Welcome back to freehighschooleducation.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 8.1 in Algebra 1, page 292. We start with number 30, simplify if possible. We see that we have a common factor in the numerator, which is a squared, so we take it out and then we factor. Similarly in the denominator. Now we factor these trinomials. And that gives us 3a minus 5 into a plus 4. And the denominator we have 3a minus 5 into 2a plus 1. Now we can cut these two numbers, and here we have the same number, so we can cut. And we are left with a plus 4 over 2a plus 1. Now we should note that the values that make the denominator 0 and make this undefined are 0, 5 over 3, and minus 1/2. But in these questions we are not asked to do this. Next, we have number 40. We factor this, that's easy to factor. And we factor this, and that's y plus 5 into y minus 4. And now we can cut the a cube 1 and remove 3 a's from here, and we get a cube in the denominator. Cut the b squared, and we minus 2 b's from b to the 4th, and we are left with b squared. So we have b squared in the numerator, a cube in the denominator. And now we have a common number here, so we cut, and we are left with y plus 2, and here y minus 4, and that would be our answer. Next is number 45. Here we have a cube, and the side of the cube is given to be E, and we need to find an expression for the volume of the cube. So the volume of the cube is equal to E times E times E, and that will be E cubed. The next question is find an expression for the total surface area of the cube. So the total area equals to E squared, that's the area of one surface, times 6, and that will be the total area of the cube. Next we'll do number 54. X to the 4 minus 10x squared plus 9 over we can factor this easily as if it is in this form, the trinomial, where this is the square of this. So now we put here x squared, and that's easy to factor, -1 and -9. And in the denominator, we pull out the 3, and that gives us x squared minus 9. Here, since we are not concerned about what values make this undefined, we can go ahead and cut by x squared minus 9, and we are left with x squared minus 1 over 3. And that will be the answer. We do not need to factor this. But if you want to factor it, that's x plus 1 into x minus 1, because this is the difference of 2 squares. Similarly, this is the difference of 2 squares, and can be factored as x minus 3 into x plus 3. Next is number 56. Ax squared minus ay squared plus 3x squared minus 3y squared over ax minus ay plus 3x minus 3y. The easiest way is to factor a out here, x squared minus y squared plus, and we factor the 3 out. And similarly here we factor a out plus 3x minus y. Now we factor x squared minus y squared into a plus 3, and here we factor x minus y into a plus 3. We can cut at this point to reduce our fraction a little bit, and then factor this again. This is the difference of 2 squares that gives us x minus y into x plus y over x minus y. And now we cut again, and we are left with the answer, and that's x plus y. And with this, we come to the end of this lesson, and we hope to see you again.